years of experience, some folks having 7 years of experience, some folks having the 10 years of experience. Sir, what type of work I am doing? What type of work 3 years guys are doing? Sorry.
Classic, classic. Internet, bro.
Guys, can you please mute?
Moral.
Okay, so now we will try to divide this and learn the process. So if you see how many different things we have, different phases in STLC, guys.
5.
Test requirement, test planning,
Test,
test design, test execution.
test requirement,
Test planning,
planning,
design, test design,
test design,
test execution,
and defect tracking, test reports and
Test report, sir.
test design, test execution,
Report.
and defect tracking.
Defect tracking.
yes,
Test reports and acceptance.
test report, execution. So when you see these many requirements we will be having, correct? So these are different phases we will be having in our process. So let us draw one chart here instead of making into the elaborated. Let us make it in short and let us discuss this. So I will make one chart here so that it will be helpful for you guys. So that until unless you are in ETL or any testing process, this chart will help you to understand what you need to take. Now you might have question, sir, we are less than 2 years, less than 1 year. What is the designation of less than 1 year, guys? Anyone?
Assistant test engineer.
as a fresher, sir.
Associative test engineer. So this is the designation of the first one. Okay, and the second one, if he is less than 3 years, his designation is
Test engineer.
test engineer. He's less than 7 years, less than, or I will make it 6 years.
Senior test engineer.
Senior test engineer.
Senior test engineers.
Yes, senior test engineer.
Hi.
If his experience is shit, it is not greater than ma, it is all or less than.
Yes, sir.
Someone should point, but I don't know why you have not pointed me. Okay, this is less than, and this is also, which is less than 10 years, or you
Lead.
can say 9 years, 8 years also, some organization. 8 years, what?
Test lead.
Yes, test lead. So when you have seen this, it's less than 14 years or less than, depends on the organization and experience. So he is called a project manager. PM. Okay. So now in this SDLC process, who has which? So sir, I'm following here 3 years. What I need to do, sir? What if I'm in 6 years experience or 5 years experience? What I need to do, sir? Here, what I need to keep? Which are the all areas that I am involving in the testing process? That's aims here. Now, when you see reading the requirement, if I am 1 year of experience, is I am reading the requirement. If I am 1 year of experience, less than, I am able to, I will get opportunity to read the requirement. Yes.
Yes, sir. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Everyone will read. Everyone will read the requirement. Project owner, project manager also reads. No, he don't want
Yes,
the
sir.
read. No, he don't want ma. Why he want? He are not doing anything, right? Just he want the deliverable to be happened. Successfully it should be delivered. That's the reason that he will not. Now, test planning. Who will prepare the test planning document? Is less than 1 year guy will prepare?
No, sir.
No. Is it 3 years experience? As I was telling that he can give some ideas.
Yes, sir.
Is this guy? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Like you, but not.
Test lead.
So
Yes.
lead, yes. In the absence of lead, this guy need to prepare. If any changes, this guy need to prepare. So that's the reason this guy is not able to read the document. Only the preparation should be happened with the lead. Test lead will prepare this document called test plan. Are you getting right? Now, let us move to the test design. Who will write the test cases? Who will create the test cases? Is this guy?
Lead.
No, he will not get the opportunity to write the test cases. Now, when you see this guy will write the test cases, yes. Is this guy will create the test cases? Yes. Is this guy will create the test cases? And creating test cases, in this time, this guy will prepare the test plan.
तेरा नहीं है, तू खो दिया
You getting? This guy will be in the process of proving the test plan.
I found somewhere.
And if he has enough time, he will also prepare the test
तो
cases.
नीचे देखा तो वो नीचे गिरा हुआ था मेरा
And
पाए
is it manager will prepare the test cases?
No, sir.
Absolutely no. No. If executing the test cases or tracking the defect until it get close, is it this new guy will be creating?
There's a test execution will do.
Yeah, he will do this. If this also he has not done, then what he will do? Free of cost, he will be giving the money to the organization. No, he will get this opportunity. 3 years, guys, yes. 6 years, lead, yes. And this guy, yes.
Yes.
Are you getting? Is this guy is involving in the
No.
creating? No. Okay. Then test report acceptance. Who will create the test report?
कुछ नहीं टेस्ट
Lead, sir.
नहीं है lead
Now, even though if I given a task to you saying that execute the test cases, now he need to come up and send a report to the lead saying that boss, I completed the things. That means he will prepare the report. Less than 3 years, yes, he will prepare the report. This guy will prepare the report and gives to the lead. This guy will prepare a report and sends to the lead. The senior executive will prepare a report and gives to the lead. Now lead will consolidate all the individual modules of the report and he will prepare a report and sends to the project manager. And the project manager will also sends a report to the clients. Are you getting this way?
Yes, sir.
Now the question should come from your end. Sir, I am able to see these 3 years and 6 years as similar work. What is the difference, sir? Why we are paying so much for the senior guy and less money to the it's a normal test engineer?
This is because they got
Any difference?
experienced. They are more experienced, sir.
If no means, I am thinking that you are keeping you have planning to less than 3 years you are keeping. If they have really the experience 6 years, they need to come up. They need to tell. Anyone?
Sir, the 3-year guy is giving test planning and ideas for test planning and designing. So the 3-year experience is more independent in designing the test cases, but the 1-year guy doesn't have much experience.
Okay, I will tell you generic one guy, and I will collide with this technical. Now imagine might be you have given as like when you are doing your function in the hall or somewhere, you will try to bring some catering guys. Now for the supply I am telling, for the supply they will wear some clothes and they will come for catering, for giving the food. When all the 50% sat in the chairs, they will come with water and they will come with biryani items and they will keep there. I am not telling buffering, it's like individual they need to supply. At the time, have you visited? Some guys are coming with only water. Some guys are coming with all the mutton item, chicken item, everything. Why the difference you can find? Why the difference?
Their experience is still less.
Still less, that's the reason. So the answer here is, so they are new to this process. That's the reason for the very new guys, they will give only water so that it will not damage anything. They will not lose anything, any big eatable items. Imagine while giving this water, if you fall in the water, nothing will happen. The same mutton item when they are supplying, if they fallen down, all the material gets collapsed. Okay, leave it this example. I will give one more example. When you are constructing any house, what we will be doing? We will calling a builder, and builder what he will do? He will try to call some mestris, some individual guys who will be like pasting the things, who will construct the bricks and walls. Have you seen some of the person will be helping them to take the some cement, and some person will try to construct a brick wall? What is the difference? If you ask them the wages point of view, they will tell, yeah sir, we are getting less, we are getting 500, and the person who is constructing a wall, he is getting 1,000 rupees or some big money. Have you aware of this process?
Yes, sir.
So why the difference? They are getting less wages for the helping guy who is giving the cement kind of stuff, and who is constructing the wall, he is getting more money.
They are more skilled.
Yeah, they are more skilled and the experience is more, and the work also, it is divided into such a way that the complex part it is given to the senior guy, and the easiest part will be given to the 3 years experience. That's the difference. The more concentration of the work is given to the senior guy. Like for example, can anyone tell me, in a Flipkart application or any retail application, which is a complex module?
It
Which is a complex
with the integrating with the payment gateway, sir.
Absolutely. Payment module is a complex.
No,
In
it's not
Flipkart
complex.
or any application, the payment is the very heart heart and soul. Why? It contain all the customer information. They need to secure, they need to take how much they have shop, that money, that much of money only they need to take. They can't able to take extra money, they can't able to take less than money. So that's the reason payment module. That module is given to this person who has experience, senior guy. Are you getting this? So that is the important. That's where you need to tell. When you are telling that you are the 4-5 years of experience, 4 years, 5 years, you need to tell some words saying that I am the experience, I am the proactively involving this. So now I will tell traceability matrix. Who will prepare? Is prepared by a senior test engineer. It's not given the opportunity. If you are having 3 years of experience, 2 years of experience, at that time you can tell proactively, I'm taking a work with the senior guy, what he is doing, I'm preparing. See, it's quite similar. When you are 3 years, less than 3 years guy, you need to pretend like I am doing 6 years of work. If you are the 6 to 7, 8, 9 years of work, you need to tell that I am pretending, I am acting like a lead. If you are actually 9 years of experience, 8 years, you need to tell that I am acting as a project manager. That's where the industries are. You need to grow. You need to tell in such a way, I am growing. Any questions here, guys?
Sir, who will be the Scrum Master over here?
Scrum Master, this is our test. STLC, guys. Software testing lifecycle. How you gonna test? Here Scrum Master will not come into the picture. How your day-to-day activity you are doing, that's where here. Once you join the organization, they given a project to you, how process by process you are working, that is called software testing lifecycle. Are you getting? Don't confuse on the agile model and here. Try to think individually. Agile model is through entire project, guys. This is only onto the style. Scrum Master is not a STLC process. What is the work of Scrum Master, guys? Anyone? Again, we are going back. What is the work of Scrum Master? What is the role of Scrum Master?
Is a coordinator between the developer and the tester.
Right. If any blockers are there, he need to remove the impediment. If anything is obstacle, we need to. Is it any obstacles are there? This is a process oriented STLC. STLC is a process oriented. That any testing activity should be happen like this. How the Scrum Master will come? This is the way that you are learning here. Process. Testing is a process each and everywhere. If I am telling that, so you need to follow this process means definitely you will follow. So if you have studied the college at that time, coming the time, sitting, doing lab is a process. Predefined process. So doing that activity, this is also an activity. Any project, when you are testing, from starting to ending, you need to follow the process. So this is a process that you are following. Once any requirement comes or once any user story is there, imagine, let me talk onto the user story. The Scrum Master or the product owner will give the user story to you. On the 10 days of sprint, what you will be doing? On the 10 days of sprint, at the sprint planning, you will be doing sprint planning. You will be trying to do here these steps.
User story.
You will be these 2 steps you are making. Correct or not? Correct me?
Correct.
You are reviewing the test case. You are planning this requirement and the user story test requirement. You are creating the test plan task breakdown. Then once you are creating as the test case execution, test case creation. Correct? And you are making this as a test case execution, the same thing. And defect tracking also will be involved in this task. And these reports also will be involving in this task. Prasad, have you understood this?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So that's what. Don't try to. This is our testing task. Scrum Master will not come into the picture. That's very important. You need to
Yeah.
understand here. So, any more questions, folks?
Scrum Master. क्या हुआ Scrum Master को? अरे हम
Go ahead.
उसको
If
बता
you
रहे
have
हैं कि
anything
वो क्या
in
Scrum
your
Master
mind,
SDL हम जो
please
पढ़ रहे
be
हैं
asked.
SDLC है.
So get the things.
Scrum Master
If you
इसलिए
ask,
नहीं आएगा वो
instead of
SDLC
telling
होगा, हम
one
उसको
thing, I
आंसर
will tell 2-3 things so that you will get to know many more. Why means this is very very important process that you should do this. So each and everything we will try to discuss. Yeah, Ashutosh.
Yeah, sir, as if 6-year guy will do a mistake, it will impact to his performance.
Absolutely.
Yeah, okay.
Imagine once he is doing the execution, one test case it is not expected, even though he pass. That test case should be failed here, but he has done the mistake. Instead of failing this, he passed this test case. It moved to the production. There they got to know that okay, this is failing. Then what? Definitely it will come to the manager and this person will be terminated if it is a complex module, or he will get a warning. He will
Okay.
removed from the project, and it is given for him a bench, and then new person is hired. Even though it's happened with the 6 years guy, 3 years guy will happen the same thing. Performance to get deducted and no hike will be given to the next appraisal period for the everyone, guys. Imagine now the 6 years person is doing, 3 years person is doing any mistake, it will affect to the lead and the manager also. Are you getting? That's the reason the lead and manager, their role is to check each and every person's work, whether they are doing proper work or not, whether it is perfection is there onto the. That's the reason the traceability matrix they will be checking. That's the reason a summary report they will be checking. That's the reason a test matrix they will be checking. So that's the reason this important onto the reports. Now a question should come from your end. Sir, imagine if I miss out some defect, what will be happened? Imagine something is happened on to that. It definitely will affect on your appraisals. It will be get removed from the project also. Some bad habits. Yes. So that's what here. Let me show one more thing. Okay. So this picture. So this will be for some more topics are there. Once you get this, I will show this. Why means defect life cycle is there. So I need to tell this defect life cycle. Then you can understand this process. So tomorrow's session, I will try to discuss the defect life cycle, guys. So any questions right now you have onto the software development STLC? If not, we will wind up today's session. We will take up this session on tomorrow's session, each and every process. Yes, thank you guys.
Sir,
Yeah, go ahead. Meetings, every meeting he will be, every stand up he need to be.
but technically